I've always been passionate about creating change. You need to be able to have a diverse workforce. One of those things in diversity meaning gender equality. And so being part of the Girls Belong Here program really gave me an insight into the real world of creating change through business by getting to shadow individuals and see what it's really like on the ground.
A big part of leadership is doing things like this and mentoring, coaching, having people like you join us for a day so that you can see what is it really like on a day-to-day basis, and also to meet many people at IKEA. So Deepali, can you explain a little bit more about the Girls Belong program and how did you hear about it?
So I heard about the Girls Belong Here program through Instagram actually. Saw an ad for it on their social media page and I clicked the link and followed. Girls Belong Here is all about promoting gender equality, bringing girls into positions in the workforce, whether it be in business, politics, and I was really intrigued with what I saw. I always knew that gender inequality was an issue, but I think this program really gave me an actionable way to kind of get involved with it. The idea of me being able to kind of see what a business does in real life, learn from another woman in business, and just continue learning and growing was something that I was really intrigued by.
We've had an amazing day so far. I'm just curious what your impressions are and what would you share?
I think the biggest thing for me that I've learned is that my voice matters. As cheesy as it sounds, I think it really is true. So I think from the start of being able to learn about logistics in the morning, opening up the new Planet Order Center in Kitchener, hearing everybody's thoughts, seeing the vibrant community was really amazing. And then later on in the day, being able to share my ideas on how IKEA can improve and how we can improve in gender diversity, really empowering just to think that, you know, regular me could have such a big impact.
Today, the takeaway for me is the energy that you give to the organization and to me personally, with your fresh perspective, with asking questions, but also asking ones that you might think are a little bit silly but are important. And I think you just show up authentic and real, and it's a reminder to me as a leader to make others comfortable, but also listen and encouraging everyone to speak up. This has been a wonderful time to spend with you, but of course I'm looking for advice.
I would say just be open to listening. I think young people are really passionate about creating change. A lot of people from a variety of backgrounds really want to see impact, really want to make the world a better place. So being open to listening to their ideas, being open to giving them opportunities, mentorship and resources is something that I would really emphasize and is key to creating that community you want to create as well as creating change.